Hello there my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Edwige and my channel is Edwige à la mode. You guys already know that I love fashion, beauty and lifestyle. I love all things fabulous and simplicity, so so I am here to share all that with you guys. And you guys can see that I've got a massive grin on my face today. I'm just so happy to be filming again. And guys, we are now on the road to 10k followers. How nuts does that even sound? I can't believe it, honestly. I thank you guys all for your support, for liking and commenting. So if you enjoy these type of content, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's get into today's video. So guys, today's video is all about my hair that I have on right now. You guys seem to really love this hair, especially when I posted a picture on my Instagram. You guys were like, Edwige, you need to tell us right now what this hair is. I don't care what you're doing, just tell me what is this hair. So today I thought I will dedicate a whole video to talk you guys through all about this hair and how I style it. And guys, just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional hairstylist. I know nothing about hair, and but I just do what works for me and I try new things. And to be fair, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to curl hair for years, guys, for years, and I just never seem to get it. But somehow do you know what, it's taken me 6 months to learn how to curl my hair, and I don't think I'm a pro. I haven't mastered this at all, so I still make mistakes here and there. I still get burnt, but it is what it is. At the end of the day, I get the results that I want, so I guess that's all that matters, right? But anyway, so this hair, I'll just tell you a quick background story. So this hair I got this time last year. Actually, I was going to Dubai for my birthday with my girls, with my sisters, and yeah, my sister's like, no Edwige, you have to get hair color on your hair now, because I'm always having, you know, I always did black hair. I was always comfortable with, you know, black hair. So she said, no, get something, you know, something different, get a color. So I was like, all right, fine. So I ended up getting this color on my hair. So the hair that I have on is from a lady called MANEOPULENCE, and she has an Instagram page. She is amazing, guys. She's very friendly, which is super important when you're paying money to get your hair done. She's very welcoming and she is the best at what she does. She's a color specialist, so she is amazing. The quality of her hair is amazing. When I tell you guys, I've had this hair for a year. So it was about this time last year, so it's been a year already since I've had this hair, and I will insert clips and pictures of when I was getting the hair done, and obviously during my Dubai trip, because I had this hair, so I'll show you guys that as well. So this here is the first day that I went to get my hair fitted. The wig was already pre-made, custom made for me. This is the day that I went to try it on, and as you can see, it just fitted so beautifully. The hair itself, I'll just read you from my phone. So I got 16, 18 and 20 inches bundles. So it's 3 bundles, and I got and obviously she gave me a discount because I was then promoting the hair for her. So all that together was 225, but with the discount that she gave me was 20%, so it came down to 180. And then my lace is a Swiss HD lace, which was 100 and I think I got the 14, I think I got the 16, which is 115 pounds. So and then it says that the lace will match your skin tone perfectly, and so for her to kind of dye the lace, it was £5 extra on top, which was a great idea, and I'm not kidding you, it's so nice. It literally looks like my skin, so I love that about it. But this hair itself, it is great, and this is not sponsored or anything like that, but this hair is wonderful. Look how just my fingers run through. It is so soft. I've had no issues with it whatsoever. It washes very well, it conditions very well. I bought the hair from her, she made the wig, and I bought the lace from her. She tinted the lace and also she coloured the hair. So she did all of that for me, and I'll leave all the details in the description bar down below. So when I first got it done, it was more of a golden bronzy sort of colour. So I was kind of over that look. So beginning of this year I decided to kind of bleach it. So what I did, I bleached certain areas. As you can see, the color here is pretty still golden like it was before, and over here I've kind of added a bit of a brighter and lighter highlight sort of effect, if you like. And I like this a lot more because I think it's a lot more vibrant, you know, and it stands out a lot bit more. And I think this is why you guys really seem to like it right now, and especially with the curls that I did. But now I don't know if I'll be able to achieve the exact same look from the picture, but hey, there's no harm in trying. I'm going to try for you because I know how hard it was to achieve that look in particular. But yeah guys, so I think I've covered everything, so I think I'm ready to get into the hairstyling. So when I'm preparing my hair, I don't usually use a lot of products on my hair just because I don't like it to look very greasy. The only thing is, because the hair is coloured, it tends to look a bit dry towards the ends. So for that I usually use a John Frieda Frizz Ease Perfect 6 Effect Serum like that. I usually use this on my hair, especially towards the ends of the hair, because I feel like it really helps just hydrate it as well. So today I'm not going to use it because I think I put it in about 2 days ago, so I've still got the grease, you know, but I'll see how my hair is once I've curled it. Obviously use heat protector, but I've run out, I don't have any. I don't always use it either, so I'm not going to lie to you which is bad, don't do that. Okay, so when I'm doing my hair, what I usually do is I will section the hair. Just bring my mirror this way. I always start from the back, so I will section it into 2 like that, and I will just use a hair clip to just hold this up like that. I know it looks crazy, so I've just used a hair clip like that to hold that up. And then what I would do, I will take a chunk like this, and then let me just make that smaller. I would brush the hair like so, and I would use my Tresemme hair wand, I think it's called. I bought this from Argos and I think it was like £15, guys. It was so cheap, but it works amazingly and it heats up so quickly. And yeah, you have three temperature settings like so you can have it on low, medium and high, or you can just turn it off. And yeah, and I think it's really good. It does the job, to be honest with you. But I just wish that I had gloves because I've burnt myself so many times, you would not believe, like, oh my god. It also comes with like a heat protector mat, which is good. So yeah, I'm actually going to use it and put it here. Oops. I'm actually going to put it here so that it's easier to reach. Alright, cool. So basically I'm going to separate my hair. What I'm going to do, I've taken my section of hair, I'm going to literally just run this through like so. Okay, just this just warms up the hair, it gets it ready and prepares it for what I'm about to do. So now I'm going to literally take the hair and roll my curling wand in it like so. So just like that. And I've learnt to just press this when I want to twist it. You don't have to, but I think it makes it easier for me. And this is how I like to do it. Oops, I told you guys I'm not a pro. And then I don't do it all the way to the end. I leave some of that end there and I just roll it through, to be honest with you. I just roll it through and I let it sit, and just for a few seconds. And then just hold it up again for a few seconds and we should be on the move. But yeah, you just need to do this all over your head. Okie dokie. So now I'm just gonna get ready to release. There we go. Again, I'm gonna do the same thing and just twist it. I'm just gonna twist it like that. And what I'm going to do now is try and bring this hair back. So bring that back, and now I'm going to do this side. Run it through. The aim is to follow the same steps throughout the whole head, and it can be challenging, especially when doing the back area, but the more you practice you will definitely master it. I mean, I still haven't mastered this, but yeah, I'm definitely getting there. Guys, it is so hard to film and do this at the same time. Honestly, the struggle is real when I tell you. I was struggling because usually when I'm doing this, I am chilled. I do this first before my makeup and stuff, so it was definitely hard to film and do this at the same time. So pay attention here, guys. This is the most important step to getting that perfect bouncy and just vintage kind of fake blowout effect. I like to take my brush the top of my hair, use the curling wand and press it on top of my hair. This really helps to give me that full look. Honestly, don't worry about the curls being tight or perfect because we will be brushing it out later. As you can see, I'm twisting the top part of my hair. This will just really help it to be a lot more bouncy at the top. Now I'm just literally repeating the same steps on the other side. Again, I am placing the curling wand on the sides of my hair because it just really helps to give it that bouncy look. Okay, my darlings, so now that I have finished curling my hair, because effectively what I do want is like a fake blowout effect sort of thing, and what I do want is to just have it very big and bouncy, and so what I like to do is spray the ELNETT hairspray. This is the normal strength, so I'll just literally shake it and I spray just a little bit, not too much. There we go, that's it. And then now what I like to do is just use my fingers to spread out the curls, just like so. Literally, just like so. And now I'm gonna bring this side down because I did this first. So what I'll do now is just literally use my fingers like that. I'm just gonna bring it all together so that it makes sense, you know. This is what I like to do, and just use my fingers like that. And then now I'm gonna try and do this side. And now what I'm gonna do is literally take some of my luxurious volume mousse, just shake that, and I just use this to kind of to lay down the baby hairs and the flyaways as well. I just like to use it all over the hair, to be honest with you. Just like so, brush it with my fingers. I like doing this because it just really helps to give my hair volume, you know. Don't do it too close to your scalp, just be careful because this gets really, really hot. This just really helps to give me that bounce. Just gonna do it this way. And I'm gonna do it here at the top as well, just to flatten my hair. Okay. So my darlings, this is the hairstyle that I did in my picture, so I thought I would show you. This is just kind of how you create that bouncy and voluminous hair. This is how I get it. This is how I create that signature sort of looks, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed watching this, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.